Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Moodle, manage courses and assignments step by step clearly. Open your web browser and make sure you have a stable internet connection. Type your school or organization's Moodle website address into the address bar and press enter. Check that the page shows a secure connection by looking for the lock icon near the web address. Find the login button or link on the Moodle homepage and click it. Enter your username or email exactly as provided by your institution. Enter your password carefully and watch for uppercase and lowercase letters. Click the login button to access your Moodle dashboard. If you forgot your password, click the Forgot Your Username or Password link and follow the reset instructions. On the dashboard, locate the navigation menu to see your available areas and shortcuts. Find the My Courses section to view the courses you are enrolled in. Click the course name you want to open to enter the course page. Use the course homepage to review announcements, weekly sections, and learning. Look for the left or top navigation to access participants, grades, and course content. To find an assignment, scroll through the course sections or use the search within the course if available. Click the assignment title to open the assignment details page. Read the description carefully to understand the task, format, and required files. Check the due date, cutoff date, and time remaining so you can plan your work. Download any attached instructions or templates provided by the teacher. Click Add Submission or Submit Assignment depending on what your Moodle shows. Choose the correct submission type, such as file submissions or online text, if those options appear. If you need to upload a file, click the File Upload area and select your document from your computer. Wait until the upload finishes and confirm the file name is visible on the page. If you are using online text, type or paste your answer into the text editor and format it if needed. Click Save Changes to store your work before final submission if that option is available. Review your submission one more time to confirm it is the correct and final version. Click Submit Assignment and confirm in the pop-up window if Moodle asks for confirmation. Go back to the course page and open the grades area to track feedback and scores when released. Log out when you are finished by clicking your profile icon and selecting Log Out for account security. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.